Hey guys, I'm Denise from simplyhomemadewithdenise.com. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make a healthier version of Nutella, that chocolate hazelnut spread that everybody loves. This uses only a few simple ingredients and it's so easy to make at home. Why wouldn't you? Okay, so you don't need very many ingredients to make this homemade version of Nutella. I like to call it the healthier version because all you need is some hazelnuts, some chocolate chips, and a little bit of oil. And that's it. So let me show you how to put this all together. So I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my hazelnuts and toast them in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes until they become fragrant and a little bit toasty and the skins get a little bit darker. So when that is done, I'll show you what it looks like. So my hazelnuts have toasted, and as you can see, the skins have gotten a little bit darker and some of them are a little bit golden. And so now what you want to do is pour them out onto a clean kitchen towel because we need to remove the skins from the hazelnuts. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my towel and just wrap it around the hazelnuts, and I'm just going to rub them. And just make sure that all of that, or most of the skin, you're not going to get all of it off, but if you make sure that most of it comes off, that's a good thing because that skin can be a little bit bitter. And then you want to make sure they're cool enough to handle because we're going to put them into the food processor and make them into hazelnut butter. Alright, so I just finished putting all my hazelnuts into my food processor. So what we're going to do now is turn this into nut butter. If you've never made a nut butter, it is so easy and it's almost like magic. You just have to scrape down the sides a couple times. Alright, so this is our nut butter, and it probably took about between 7 and 10 minutes, I'd say, to get it to this consistency, but you want it to be like a butter so that it's runny. And now we're gonna add straight into the food processor. We're not gonna melt the chips or anything, we're just gonna add them in just like this, and the heat from the food processor is gonna melt the chocolate. Alright, the chocolate is mixed in, and now I'm just going to add in a little bit of oil, and this will help to keep the chocolate more spreadable so that you can spread this on toast or crackers or whatever you want to put it on. Just mix that in, and that's it. And there you have it, guys. It is that easy to make homemade Nutella with just a few simple ingredients, a food processor, and you're good to go. You can spread this on toast, you can put it on bagels, you can do whatever you want. Whatever you would do with Nutella from the store, you can do with this. And I hope that you try it, and if you do, please leave me a comment down below. The recipe will be in the description box. I'll have a link to the recipe down below in the description box, and then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I have a new recipe. I've got new recipes coming out every week. So thanks for joining me on Simply Homemade with Denise today. I'll see you next time. Bye.